Hey guys, it's me again, and I've got some more 3D printed parts for the ODST helmet. I'm ready to start working on them. Just a few parts. I printed one in the intro. I'm gonna take them over to my friend Brett's house and work on them a little bit. I could work on them at the garage here, but honestly, my garage is a total mess right now. And Brett invited me over to hang out and play with his dogs a lot. I'm gonna take that stuff over to his house, and I'm gonna get things packed up here and head out, and I'll see you there.
If you want to use the GoPro, I can go grab it for you.
So, I'm at Brett's house now. I brought all my stuff with me. Brett's here at the table with me. Say hi, Brett.
Hello.
He's letting me borrow his GoPro. I'm gonna see how well the footage works because the webcam that I used for the last video was horrible. I'm gonna start working on some stuff. I'm just gonna move forward. Alright, so I've got these parts here that I've printed. These are a little bit further back on the kind of round part of the neck here. Basically, these are fresh off the printer. I know that a lot of people are going to yell at me for having all this stringing and crap going on. I've been working on updating the settings on my printer to get some of the stringing to go away, and I managed to do that. I've already pre-sliced these files. I'm not too worried about getting these clean prints when I'm slicing them. I'm perfectly fine with doing a little bit of finishing work. So basically, I need to get all these support things out, clean up all this stringing and boogering that's around the outside, generally sand the surface a little bit to give it a little bit more of a smooth finish. Alright, Brett. Ouch, I hit the lamp. What are you working on over here?
I am working on my shin piece for my A New Hope stunt costume.
from Star Trek?
Star Trek. Yeah, the Beyond edition, the one where Picard.
Star Trek Beyond, Jar Jar returns.
Darth Jar Jar. Not many people know this, but it's a well-known fact that Jar Jar was in Star Trek: The Last Generation.
I'm trying to get a good shot of Dale, but he just keeps following me wherever I go. Ah! Ah! I'm being attacked by cute puppers. Help! Get the jaws of life! Alright, so I have pieces attached here. And, it's looking pretty good. I think it's gonna fit. I was a little worried about sizing, but I think it's gonna be fine.